morning to everyone. I am Pooja Kardile. I want to ask you one question. Can you tell who the statue belongs to?
Ambedkar.
Yes, you are right. So, today here I am say a few words about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was social reformer, jurist, economist, and politician, and also philosopher. He was born on 14th April 1891 in a small village of Madhya Pradesh. He was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is popularly known as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was the son of Ramji Maloji Sakpal and Bhimabai. Since his parents were Dalit, he was not given equal opportunities during growing years. He encountered many challenges and social discrimination. His education journey was not much easier than others. He faced many injustices in their whole life. Yet he was not discouraged. He enrolled himself in Bombay University and he further pursued his PhD in economics and political science from London School of Economics, Columbia, USA. After returning from USA, he fought for the fundamental rights for lower caste and he always stood for the equality of the untouchables. He played an important role in Indian Constitution, hence we call him as father of Indian Constitution. He held the post of the first law minister in independent India. He always his message to youth was educate, agitate, and organize. He renounced the Hinduism and became Buddhist in 1956. He left the world on 6th December 1956. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is a wonderful example of success and struggle and success that rarely we can see elsewhere. Thank you.